Hi guys, it is Miss Allender, and today we are going to work on fraction division. More specifically, we're going to work on whole numbers divided by fractions. So I have the same problem twice, and that's because I'm going to show you two different ways to do this problem. So the first one is 3 divided by 1/4. I want to emphasize that this 3 is 3 wholes, so you always put it over 1. So our first strategy is to draw a picture. So to do that, I'm going to draw 3 holes. I have my 3 holes drawn. Now I'm going to divide them each by 4ths. Okay. Now I'm just going to add up how many 4ths I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 4ths. There is one method to do it, drawing the picture. Now, drawing the picture could get a little bit complicated when you get to some of these other problems. So I'm going to show you a different way to do it. We call it the keep, change, flip method, the KCF. Now, remember, this is 3 holes, so I need to put that over 1. And the keep, change, flip method is I'm going to keep the 3 over 1. I'm going to change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then I'm going to flip this fraction up. So that is going to look like 3 over 1 times 4 over 1. And now you just multiply. 3 times 4 gives you 12, and 1 times 1 gives you 1. Now, the keep, change, flip method is the method that I like because it's something that I can remember without drawing the picture. I told my class multiple times that I'm not a picture drawer. I'm more of a just number and writing a method. So let's try the keep, change, flip method on this next problem. So remember, this is 2 holes, so 2 over 1. So I'm going to keep this 2 over 1. I'm going to change the sign to multiplication, and I'm going to flip this fraction. So that's going to look like 2 over 1 times 6 over 5. Okay? Now you just multiply. 2 times 6 gives you 12. 1 times 5 gives you 5. Now, you can keep it as an improper fraction. I'm going to flip it back to a mixed number. So that's going to look like 2 and 2/5. All right. So let's do one more. I'm going to do 4 divided by 3/4. Okay. So remember, I'm going to do the keep. Actually, remember I have 4 holes, so that needs to be over 1. So I'm going to keep that. I'm going to change the sign, and then I'm going to flip the last fraction. So that's going to look like 4 over 1 times 4 over 3. Multiply class, 4 times 4 gives you 16. 16/3. Change that back. That's going to be 5 and 1/3. If you guys have any questions, please ask your teachers about the keep, change, flip method. If you are a drawer, you are able to do this, but just know that it could get more complicated the harder the fractions become. All right, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers.